Hello guys, welcome to Technefy. Today I'll show you free online screen recorder that you don't have to download, and watermark will also not come. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to any search engine. You should make sure that it is either Google, Firefox or Opera Mini. This doesn't support on other search engines more than these three. Then after that, type your free ONLINE online SCREEN screen recorder and click on your. After you type it, click on the option called screenapp.io online screen recorder. Here you can see this kind of interface here. Here you can just click, and here you can see 60,000 successful recordings every month from this interface, and 100% free, no software downloads and quick download. No software extension. You don't need anything. Click on get started. It's also not virus. No malware here. And which kind of sound you are to say? Microphone audio, browser audio, or no audio? I am clicking on no audio. Click on share. And what you want to say? Your entire screen, your application window like any other app or Google or Opera Mini or your Chrome certain tab. If I have two tabs here, then the option will come to. Now I want to set entire screen and I will click on share. But you should make sure that your recording is up to 15 minutes. It doesn't support more than that. And after that, click on start recording option. Here you can see. But you should make sure that your recording is at least more than 1 minute. Otherwise, you won't be able to download. I'll meet you after recording is complete. Now, here after my recording is complete, after your recording is complete, click on this stop recording. Okay. Here you can see all the recordings are done. Now your video is ready. Click on this download button. Then click on show in folder to know the option, to know the place where it is recorded. But it is recorded in WEPM format. And after that, click on here you can see the recording is completed. I will show you by opening this. Here you can see that my recording is successful. You can see here recording, and main thing that there is no watermark and you haven't downloaded any software. So what you want? Go ahead and make a YouTube video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.